Today, we're looking at how you can give advice through social media to add value. This is Starling Bank. They're an award-winning business banking tool, and they want to give people advice, whether it's on the lead back up to school or whether it's on people being fraudsters. And what they've done is they've created some little tips on what to look out for and how to become aware of fraudsters. And they've chosen to try and relate this directly back to pigeons. So let's have a look. It says fraudsters can contact you in strange ways. It probably won't be by carrier pigeon, but as well as email or phone, or it might be in an unexpected way, such as a dating app. However, remember this, you might not be speaking to who you think you are. Always take time to verify who you're talking to and never trust pigeons. So what I love about this is they've created the post, they've done little emojis to keep it, fairly light for quite a tough topic. They've then created a series of little images. So don't trust the pigeons. Carrier pigeons like to find out about you. They want to know your address. They use information to convince you their message is a genuine one. Never attach money to a pigeon that you weren't expecting. Scammers contact you in strange ways to verify who you're speaking to. So basically, they're using the carrier pigeon as a kind of metaphor for fraudsters so that people can instantly understand what it is they're actually talking about. So I really, really like this because they're giving advice to add value to the lives of their customers, but without actually selling. They've branded it up to keep it in line with their brand, but kept it engaging by using the pigeon as a character. And it also helps make the information, I guess, just a lot more palatable for people as well. So maybe have a think about it. If you've got tips that you want to give to people, whether that's done, it's maybe thinking about how that's done. So whether it's in video form, it's in like multiple posts or multiple images, like a little gallery like this, or short and snappy. It's just thinking about the delivery of it in order to make sure that it actually comes across to the customers in the right way. Now, if I was Starling Bank, I would want to be checking to see how my social media is performing. So I would go into the Maybe platform, go into listening and go into insight summary, and I would click myself here, my conversation. And in here, I can look at the conversations. Basically, that would be all the posts that I'm doing across Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can look at a much more in-depth view of my insights. So that would be all of my reporting. And then I can view my ads as well. Then I can, at a glance, look at how many followers I've got across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I can look at the number of posts across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram in a specific date range. I can look at the number of engagements. I can look at the posts per day, the average engagement. So again, it's understanding what's working for your social media, what's not, and then looking at fixing it. Average engagement across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram per day. And then your best post as well. So it's the post with the most engagement in that date range. And then you can also view your calendar and get things scheduled in as well. If you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button here. We love to help.